I don't know what I'm saying, I'm tired, man. You know, I ordered food, yeah? And I forgot to order my food. So I ordered everyone else's food, I didn't order my own food. Right, let me run that again. Alright, don't take that rake out. Leave it there, yeah? Daniel, go there. Ted, 1 second on the thing.
Oh yeah, my bad, sorry.
Ready? Hi guys, it's Shane from Yiannimize, and today we have this Lamborghini Aventador PAV in SV. So, oh, and we have a quiz. Come on then. Come on then. So, let's run that again. Hi guys, it's Shane from Yiannimize, and we have a Lamborghini Aventador SV. This car has got monster spec. Some people are gonna love this color, others will hate it. It is not wrapped. That came like that from factory, ordered by the owner, and we're wrapping it something real special. It's got carbon everywhere. Watch this video.
You're a vegan, bro. What's happening? What are you doing in there?
Just
Looking
chilling in it.
Looking
pretty.
Hello, Ayman. Just test fitting.
Literally test fitting. Just I want to get the feel of it for in the future when I cop one of these.
Stand.
Thank you, bro. Love.
That's it. What are you actually doing? You're holding the brake so that the wheel don't move, innit?
Yeah,
you're holding the brake, aren't you?
Yeah.
He's got 2 feet on there.
Foot on the brake, Aymans.
Go on, bro.
Go.
See if you look out of the brake, I'm gonna headbutt the floor so hard.
the brakes.
That was brilliant.
JME's turned up, and a couple of my boys want to be rappers. I think I'll put it in a previous video. And what the person is doing, getting advice from Ayman and Bert.
Uni, trying to leave uni, and then
JME giving out advice to my 2 young rappers,
it's not
yeah?
advice. It's
You are giving out advice.
It's not advice.
They're calling you uncle. Uncle JME. Old school JME, boy better know.
I know him, but yeah, like
That's Ayman and Rio. So yeah, they're trying to get a bit of advice. JME's like Yiannimize family, always comes here. Helps him out.
It's a mad game. But I don't play the game. I just make music. But you have to get paid, obviously, innit? When I get my car, bro, you can't wrap it with PPF, can you?
Yeah.
You can.
I'll put PPF on and then I'll wrap it afterwards.
And then you can. No, but it's coming with PPF on it.
Yeah, so I'll just wrap it
Like, you can wrap over it. That's one thing I wanted to know.
I'll get that vinyl from eBay for you. That's special.
Oh, but you used it,
Click
innit?
here.
It's not even.
Click here. Click here to see JME wrap his car.
Okay, but watch this though. After that rap, everyone cussed that rap, innit? I seen it on the car here. Someone came and got it.
Yeah.
I'm sure someone came and got it.
Yeah, Eric Aubameyangs.
Was it?
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
2 cars. And I wrapped my car in it.
I know
cars.
for the
Yiannimize Grand Tour.
Grand Tour. See what I'm saying? I set trends. I was thinking I might try and design something rather have an actual interest in rap rather than just a colour.
JME can talk for hours and we just sit here and listen to him. He's that person, you know, he's got that voice that you just listen to. It doesn't matter, you just listen.
But I don't play the game, I just make music.
Click here to see JME rap.
Okay, but watch this though. I set trends. It's mad, it's a mad game.
You don't follow no one, he's a leader.
You'll be like, bro. You know what I'm saying? I set trends. Talk too fast, talk too much. You know what I'm saying? How would man tell me, give me some advice? My brain wants to tell you stuff. When I get my car, bro, the Lambo, I like that. When I get my car, bro, it was a Tesla. I like that, but I ain't got that no more.
We're gonna continue the video.
You talk too fast, you talk too much.
JME will just keep talking.
Right, Jamie, you talk too fast, you talk too much. Yeah, man.
And talking.
Right, Jamie, you talk too fast, you talk too much.
I'm talking.
I get paid to talk. I got the sickest job. Get paid to talk, bro. Yeah.
Bye. So I picked this up And I've got the chrome gold Aventador behind me as well. Andrew's driving that, the Roadster with the Nero body kit. The season's coming to an end now, so the cars are going to be shipped out on trailers. So what he's asked is for us to take the cars, get them clean and ready, and then I've got my guys picking them up on a trailer tomorrow. This car. The way it just, special. I'd love to actually put these on one of the drag races. This would be a special car to put on a drag race. It just literally throws you back in your seat. And I'm not ragging the car. I wouldn't race a customer's car like that, especially on the roads. You never know. Shall I ask Oba, what do you reckon? Can I take this on a drag race with Matt Watson? Obviously I'll drive it. I'll send it up on a truck and then just do like a couple of quarter miles. Comment down below. Let's tell Oba, let Yanni take your car on a drag race. It just handles so nice. And for a hypercar, this is actually a hypercar. It's not that bumpy. You've got like the suspension button as well, which I love in a Ferrari. Even though I'm Mr. Lambo, when I first bought my Aventador in 2013, the first thing I looked for was the suspension button, and it didn't have one, and I was really upset. Hi Gus, very nice. You should get it wrapped at Yiannimize. So that's a motorbike revving the nuts out of itself. I let it go past. So when you drive someone else's car, I'm always more and more wary of people around me. If in my own car, don't really care. Based on the fact you've got two ridiculously bright coloured cars, and pretty much everyone knows who they belong to, just even more conscious of the fact that I'm driving them around. People always say, you're insured to drive these cars. So yeah, usually when I drive anything over £1 million, I just call my insurance company Sidestar, and they just increase my policy. God forbid if the worst happens. So vision-wise, it's got a nice big screen. The rear window is obviously out the engine bay, which is not the greatest, quite small. The wing mirrors are very far out from the car, so it does pick up. So yeah, you've got good vision. It's just the cockpit. It's an aeroplane. I love it. I love it. Words can't really describe the feeling of driving one of these cars. Pulling into Yiannimize now. I just put the lift up to make sure I don't scratch the front. This is probably the ultimate car for me. I always say the Porsche 918. I think I say that because the Porsche 918 I could probably afford. It's around £1 million. It's actually dropped now, maybe 800,000. I think this is a little bit out of my league. But who knows? Never say never. Never say never. But for now, this one belongs to Oba. So, handing over the cars to my trusted transportation team. You have the lovely Paolo. Morning. You have the lovely Giorgio. They are a father and son team from where?
Market Harbour, Leicestershire.
Leicestershire. But they're Italian. Italian boys. He loves to chat. My God, does he love a chat. However, they're very good at their jobs. Check them out, guys. All their details are on the screen now. So the cars are loaded. I'm going to go back to work, and they're heading to France.
So I'm outside the old unit, guys. Today we've got a couple of cars that I wanted to show you just to sort of highlight a couple of differences and the evolution of vinyl potentially. So follow me. On this side we have an Aventador S that was wrapped about a year and a half ago, something like that. It's got a little scuff on the wing, so we're rewrapping a wing for him. As you can see, it's purple. Like I said, it's about a year and a half old, so not saying that there's anything wrong with that. It's just, if you compare it to the next one I'm going to show you, you'll see a difference. This is now Inozetek Midnight Purple. I'm hoping you can see on the camera here the quality and the difference. So a little bit more of a mottled finish, which means that you get a bit more of a ripple across the top coat on the first one, whereas this one lays more like a paintwork finish, so it's the closest you can probably get to paintwork. There's always going to be the argument of vinyl wrap versus paintwork. They're never going to be the same, but obviously the industry is progressing, it is always moving forward, and quality wise we are getting there. So if you don't know, you'll look at that and say it's painted in purple. You can do a light machine polish, so if there are any high points and low points, you can sort of flatten those off and it give you more like a glass finish on there. You can ceramic coat them and so on as well. So there's a lot more that you can do with these. We offer different types of vinyl which will give you the benefit as a customer to choose different price points. So some vinyls are cheaper, some vinyls are a little bit more expensive, but the idea is that we try to give you the best option or array of options that we can, so depending on the colour that you're after. So on this particular instance, if you wanted purple, I could show you that. That will come in slightly cheaper versus the Inozetek vinyl, but it's up to you. So we try to work with you in terms of budget, quality and whatever else, but it highlights the difference. You can see it for yourself.
So, the Inozetek Purple SV Lamborghini is now complete. Firstly, I'm dressed like this, not like I usually dress up because I'm the boss. It is Friday, it's the end of the day, and it's about 35 degrees. So, anyway, I've just addressed that. That car looks unbelievable. The Inozetek Purple wrap looks like paint. It's an unbelievable finish. We've done orange SV stickers on the side of the car to go with the calipers. The gold wheels pop as well. It's just one of them when you stand back, you can admire it. One thing I'm thinking, and a few of the guys said this, so the roof, if you come with me, is a matte carbon. Yeah, however, when you open the door, obviously we've done shuts and returns, so everything is wrapped, you wouldn't know the original color. Gloss carbon is here, and I think that works better with the purple. What do you reckon? Do we put gloss PPF on the carbon to make it all gloss on the outside? And that'd be the roof, the rear vents, and obviously where the glass is. What do you think? I think that might pop a little bit better. But anyway, customers collecting this tomorrow, but it looks fantastic. Credit where credit's due. Nicco and Mark smashed this out. Naomi done obviously the SV stickers on the side. Inozetek vinyl is not the easiest to work with. A lot of people have been complaining, saying they're getting glue marks. It is down to fitter error, guys. Inozetek has that gloss paint finish. It looks unbelievable when it's fitted correctly. If you don't apply it correct, you do get glue marks. Well, actually, one second. Give me 3 things to help people at home that fit this vinyl. Obviously wrap companies, not individuals. 3.
I think that vinyl comes with experience, knowing your product, and maybe less heat, and clean it properly.
Okay, so he gave us 4. So make sure the car is clean properly, know your products, obviously test out your vinyl before you apply it. Experience, you've got to have experience in laying vinyl, obviously, and that is all makes, and less heat. There you go, 4 tips from Mark. 0 tips from Nicco. Nicco and Mark have worked with every vinyl, so obviously every vinyl has a different way to apply it, whether it be Avery, whether it be 3M, whether it be Inozetek. Won't name any more vinyl companies. So knowing your product and really just trial and error.
Yeah, like if you made mistake, keep trying.
Keep trying.
Yeah, and find the way, the best way the vinyls not gonna get stressed.
Exactly. I always say this, on paper, Nicco and Mark theoretically shouldn't be able to wrap. There's a lot of other people out there that I would say are better rappers than Nicco and Mark on paper. When you see them work, other rappers would look and be like, why are they rapping like that? Or that doesn't work, or what are they doing wrong? It's not, it's the way they've worked their own way to do it, and it seems to work. So yeah, follow Nicco and Mark, follow Nicco and Mark on their page actually, plug. Nicco at Yiannimize, Mark at Yiannimize.
Yiannimize as well.
Oh, and Phillymize, don't forget Phillymize. Phillymize is them 2 together, and then obviously you got Nicco and Mark.
I got one more.
Mark's got another one.
I got one more. Order more vinyl.
Order more vinyl, there you go. Inozetek. So just continuing on about the vinyl, Nicco and Mark have pretty much worked with every vinyl manufacturer, including Aubameyangs, which the vinyl came in from America. It's not the best vinyl. When we done that wrap, I did tell Oba that it's not good quality vinyl. He's like, Yanni, I don't care. I want that specific vinyl because it's got that specific finish and how it looks in the sun. So they've done trial and error with every single vinyl manufacturer and they've made it work. Sometimes it hasn't, and they've come up with a way to make it work and make it stay. So yeah, it is literally trial and error, practice, practice, practice. And what do they say? Practice makes perfect.